Here's a very famous song by Edward Grieg called Morning. And in this song, you'll notice in the beginning, we are in the key of F major. We have the treble and the bass clef. And then afterwards, right to the end, you see it's switching to two treble clefs, meaning the left hand is going to move over to the middle position. And then we're going to be in A major. So let's start over here. I'll show you from the beginning. Now I'm in A position. Let's go back to F position. Let's focus on the right hand. See, my 4 over here is going to be on C, not the middle C, this C right here. And watch how my finger is turning. Turn the second finger over and over. Turn over. Move back to F position. Quiet this down so the left hand can have the melody. Now let's go over to A major chord. See that? A, C sharp, and E. Next page. Turn over. Go back to A position. A, D, F. And move to C position. Okay, now let's move your 5 down to C. Slide your 3 over to D, and let's play a 6, A and F. Hold that down and lift off. Left hand. So in here, left hand sometimes has the melody. In the beginning, it's going to be quieter than right hand. So take a listen. Quiet it down. Chord Snowman, or chord 1. Again. 2, 3, tie, 2, 3. 2, 3, stretch your thumb. 2, 3, back to chord 1. 2, 3, wait. 2, 3. Here's the melody. Nice and loud. Turn your second finger over and 5. Thumb is now on E. Now stay right where you are and play that A chord. Stretch. Sounds a little weird, but it's right. Go back to A. The melody again, nice and loud. Turn over. Land on middle C, and this time move back to F chord. Stretch. Back to chord 1. Stretch. Back to chord 1. Stretch. Back to F and C, an octave lower.